Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change the default language in Windows. First, open your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then the gear icon. Once in Settings, look for Time and Language and click on it. Then, on the left side, select Language. This is where we'll begin our journey to customize your Windows experience to your preferred language. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Now, to add a new language, click the Add a Language button. A new window will appear displaying a wide array of languages. Scroll through or use the search bar to find your preferred language, for example, Spanish or French. Select it and make sure the Language Pack checkbox is ticked. This ensures all necessary components are downloaded. Then, simply click Next to continue the installation process. After selecting your language, you'll see options for various features like text-to-speech or handwriting. Review these, then click Install. Windows will download and install the language pack, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, go back to the Preferred Languages list. Click on your new language and use the up arrow to move it to the very top. This sets it as your default. To fully apply the new language, Windows will prompt you to sign out. It's crucial to save any open documents or work before doing this. Once you sign out and then sign back into your user account, your entire Windows interface, including menus, dialog boxes, and system messages, will be displayed in your newly selected default language. This completes the process, giving you a personalized experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.